Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for those of you rocking Dell Inspiron 3268 or 3668 desktops memory. Specifically, we're looking at the OWC 8GB DDR4 2400MHz RAM module. If your Inspiron is feeling a little sluggish, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications, RAM is often the first place to look. This OWC module is designed as a direct replacement and upgrade, breathing new life into these Dell systems. This particular module is a DDR4 2400MHz stick, which is the sweet spot for many of these Inspiron models. It operates at a PC4-19200 speed with a CL17 latency and a voltage of 1.2V. It's a 288-pin UDIM, so it's important to make sure that it is compatible with your system. The good news is that OWC specifically lists the Dell Inspiron 3268 and 3668 as compatible, and it's designed to replace part numbers like A9321911 and SMPM0VW4C8G. One of the best things about this OWC memory is its adherence to JEDEC standards. This means it's built to industry specifications, ensuring compatibility and stability. It's also RoHS compliant, which is always a plus. OWC also emphasizes that this upgrade is warranty safe, giving you peace of mind. The benefits of upgrading your RAM are immediately noticeable. Expect faster boot times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive system. Memory upgrades are generally considered one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your PC's performance, and this OWC module is no exception. OWC also offers a consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This level of support is a huge advantage, especially for those who might be new to upgrading their own computers. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process. In most cases, it's as simple as opening your computer case, locating the RAM slots, and snapping the new module into place. Overall, the OWC 8GB DDR4 2400MHz RAM module is a solid choice for upgrading your Dell Inspiron 3268 or 3668. It's compatible, reliable, and backed by a great warranty and support system. If you're looking to give your Dell a performance boost, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.